Shit.
Ready?
Oh yeah.
Oh shit, I thought that was that. Shit, we back then.
Nah, I was trying to send a post to the Instagram
Nah.
to let them know that we are live.
We are back.
Back. I hope you enjoy our background, man. This is the most exclusive background niggas can pay for right now. This is what's that background called? What's it? Priceless?
This nigga's stupid.
Shit, priceless, man.
Anyway, we're back, guys. It's been a while. We're back.
Two nice pieces on the chopping block today.
Ball family is a favorite. We got some
Yes.
Nino Brown.
Yes.
And we have Don Murph.
I don't even know what the name of that
I think
shit
it's is it ginseng? What is this shit? ENSENJI?
I looked at that shit for about 30, 40 minutes and tried to figure what the shit was. And
I don't know. It's
I
Don
just called
Murph's-
it the Don Murph Skittles.
in Georgia pie.
There you go.
So that's what we got today.
This Nino Brown, man, this shit, I don't know why we can't get access to this shit like that.
Like
man.
all the time, right?
Yeah, man. This shit come around once every 4 months.
No.
Yo, we may get to smoke the Ball family pause like maybe 3 or 4 times a year. But we brought it here for you. I think we should start with that Don Murph.
Alright, do the Don Murph. Oh, you want to do the Don Murph?
Yeah, start with that Don Murph.
First, I will say the presentation is nice. The bag is beautiful.
It's sad we even gotta mention and address that in these days and times, man.
Address what? The presentation?
Yeah, it's a pretty bag.
Yeah, well, you know.
But as far as this Don Murph, it's actually, I haven't seen much Don Murph floating around either. So when I seen this, I kind of made a beeline straight to the spot and was like, yo, let me get some of this. Whatever this fucking Dragon Ball Z Don Murph is, apparently it's supposed to be the Skittles with the Z and the Georgia pie. You know, we all tasted Georgia pie before. I'm sure we all been to the cookies dispensary. With that Skittles hit should be a nice. But let me not say too much because I already smoked this shit.
I'm not mad, but I'm not super duper impressed. It's alright.
I know it smells crazy. Like
It tastes good.
when you lit this shit, the smoke from when you first light it.
Nah, it tastes good. It's still kind of early because I feel it hitting my lung now. And
Rolling.
not really. I thought it was.
Murph, man, the Murph, you can't never go wrong with the Murph.
I think it's just lacking a little punch. It's either a hole in here or it's lacking a little punch. I think it's a hole though. When I see it.
It could also be the backwards.
Yeah, the backwards is fucked up. It's a bad batch. It smoke a little bit better now. And yeah, it's got a punch now. It was older than.
Definitely on the sweet side a little bit. I can taste the
Nah, it's got a lot of flavor. It's got a punch to it too.
the Z to it. Mhm.
It just took a minute to start smoking. It was pretty good. In the beginning, I wasn't impressed, but I think once I got past the hole, then it's lit.
Well, I'll say this. It's slightly above a smoothie. But I think in the right backwood, this shit will hit a lot harder and better.
Nah, I was just premature with it. Pause. It was it got better. I gotta stop moving because I'm shaking the camera.
This is good. It's good.
No, it's good.
It's good. Did I expect a little more from it? Yeah. Cause I say this, you smoke them blue nerds, that's some real strong shit.
Definitely.
So when this comes a little softer, but
But you know what? Now that you mention, I kind of like that. Now that you mention, I kind of like the fact that it's not too.
Yo, but what's crazy
It's
is
funny you say that.
I'm covering up this hole. If this shit didn't have a hole in it, this shit might be
That
punching.
shit might be the one because it's definitely hit.
But it got the nice sweet taste and shit that a lot of these other weeds be looking for. It'll have the smell, but that shit'll taste like nothing.
And it got the taste isn't too overbearing. It's like perfect. It's like a nice perfect blend.
Well, those could be expected from A1 and Gerbs herbs. Yes. We are. Make sure y'all let us know what y'all smoking on. If y'all want to get y'all scan on, pause the video. You can't get that shit to stop shaking.
You gotta fucking hold that shit.
And I can't stop coughing.
Mm-hmm.
That I'ma put it like 8.4.
8.4? I go with that. I give it an 8.4. I won't argue that. It's a nice, well-rounded piece. Pause. It's got flavor and it's got punch. I like it. It's a perfect blend, actually.
It's a perfect blend for them people who only like let's say, people that like the sweet weed.
Yeah.
Because there's some people that if they don't hit a weed and get that sweet candy taste, they think the weed is garbage.
Dirt, yeah, they think it's dirt. I know better. I don't even be looking for the sweet shit no more. I'm telling you.
I remember the gelato days, man. Like, before they was able to really make the smoke taste sweet, they was like right there on that verge when the smoke was really starting to taste different. That's what I remember. Now everything is just candy.
Yeah.
Nigga, this shit's so bad. You go to the spot, niggas done jacked every single candy you could think of. From the Swedish Fish, to the fucking Welch's, to the fucking fruit snacks, Jujube, everything has been jacked to be a weed. Everything.
They gonna find more shit though. Tic Tacs and shit, right?
Oh God. The Tic Tacs coming out next year, probably. Shit bad. Next thing you know, they're gonna start jacking gums. You're gonna have Winter Fresh and double mint weed soon. Oh no. Yo, y'all remember where y'all heard this shit first, man. We be predicting this shit. Don Murph Paloma. We are Paloma OGs.
Yeah.
I could show you 28 bags of Paloma.
This is good though.
Yeah, I like that.
This is good. The whole fucked it up, but this is good.
And then if it's good in a subpar backwood.
I might have gave it a higher number because this motherfucker smoking right now.
Damn, John Murph, man, rest in peace, A1.
Yeah, that shit smoke.
We'll light this up.
Now we've had Nino Brown before, haven't we?
Yes.
I mean on camera, not obviously. I'm talking about on tape. We've done Nino Brown, right?
Yep.
I think we've done damn near everything from the Ball family on
Yep.
camera. I'm mad we lost that footage.
Yeah, that's
that Bruce Leroy. That was the legendary
I
footage.
think we lost 2 videos. We might have lost the Laura Charles. Because we never
Yeah.
got Laura Charles on film. And we never got the Miss Parker.
No, but remember we had the Bruce Leroy? When you had the hat.
It was Bruce Leroy
And Laura Charles and Dibs,
yeah.
yo, that was the one. Fucking phones died on niggas, man.
They just had a whole Last Dragon episode for y'all, man.
Yeah, that was the one.
Up, they done lit the wrong side.
I knew you was gonna
That's
say
all
that
good.
shit. I knew you was gonna say that shit. I just took matters in my own hands. So I didn't want to ask this time.
Yes. What a good family member. What's happening, man? Yo, why y'all never had Ball family?
Ooh, wait.
Nah, people be saying, yo, the Don Murph is fire. I had Don Murph, but I never had Ball family. Listen
out.
man. Look for
Listen
it.
out.
Tell your man, tell your plug, listen, go find some Ball family.
ASAP.
That's what you need, man. That's like you need the total weed experience. You shouldn't just be subjected to what your dealer got. You know what I'm saying? Because there's way much more shit out there than what your dealer got. Trust me. I had to learn this shit the hard way. And you got to have 4 or 5 niggas. You know?
Ain't lie.
This. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you happen to stop by.
I don't know. These motherfuckers is going back to back.
Don't even get me started talking about this weed right here. This shit right here. About to hit you with the honest facts right here. We've had better weed. Shit, we've had better Ball family weed than this one in particular. But when I smoke this, I know I'm smoking Ball family. Like if I was to hit this blunt and it be trash, I already know what they put in this bag is not it. But this shit right here, that's a weed experience. You're gonna cough, you're gonna do all that. Still hit the blunt slow so you can feel the experience.
And what's your favorite Ball family? I think mine might be the Lord Charles. Right? I think it might be the Lord Charles for me.
It's either that Daniel son or that fucking, there was the Daniel LaRusso and then Bruce Leroy.
I love Bruce Leroy.
I love
Bruce Leroy. But I
Might
think
have
Lord
been
Charles might be a little bit more stronger than the Bruce Leroy. But I love Bruce Leroy. Pause. The Drago was okay.
All of that
All them
shit
shits is good. All them
was
shits is good. All them shits is good.
But yeah, that Bruce Leroy had the most exotic.
Yeah, that Bruce Leroy had it all.
Yeah.
Taste, everything, pause. But I think Lord Charles might have been a little stronger.
Y'all know, man, we like to specialize we like to bring California to New York via the fucking YouTube airways. We like to bring you the real shit, the shit that's smoking. We could go to our corner store and get you some average shit, but it's not about that.
What you give that?
This shit smoking in a bad backwood. I'd have to go 9. I'm gonna stop.
You give it 9?
I'm gonna give this a 9, and I'm gonna give this an 8.8.
Alright, I'll go with that. Cause I was gonna say that other shit, we gave it a low grade because it wasn't pulling. Once that motherfucker started pulling.
I fall in love with this because it's not the sweet.
Yeah. It's just gas.
This is gas.
It's
man.
just gas.
This is the shit we was looking for before that sweet shit came around. We was looking for this type of shit.
I don't know.
Yo, Kevin, appreciate you, man. Somebody just said Gas TV is the illest show on YouTube, man. Yo, appreciate you. Yo, share, bro. Like and subscribe, man. Share, please. Yo, we need like 500 more people, subs, so we can get monetized out here. Nigga, if we get monetized, we taking Gas TV trips to Vegas, California, Denver, and we're gonna show y'all how everything is trash. Come on, sub up, y'all. Sub up, man. So we can show y'all.
Oh man.
Take this shit on the road. Oh shit. Everyone in Massachusetts. Hold on. A brother said he owns a dispensary in Cali and one in Massachusetts. I know and got all the fire right here in Queens. Yo, Sean. Yo, send me an Instagram message, man. If you in Queens, I'll tap in, man. It's not a problem. We could definitely fucking collaborate on something. Hit me. International Smorge. INTERNATIONALSMORGE. That's the Instagram, man.
I'm Mel from BK.
And yes.
Easy. It's easy to find me. I don't know.
Be more. What's happening, man? What's shaking out there in the Met? What y'all smoking on out there in the South Carolinas? Below what they got below the Mason-Dixon?
Oh yeah, that's the day. Damn, I
It was
forgot.
going down, huh?
Yeah.
Brought the things out.
Good old Myrtle Beach.
Oh, man.
That shit,
Myrtle Beach really makes me feel old.
Yeah.
Like just the name Myrtle Beach. Yo, man.
A lot of shit went down in Myrtle Beach.
I think that's about it, man.
That's it, man.
Yeah, man.
Nino Brown, the Carter, John Murph,
Mm-hmm. Fucking
Dragon Ball Z.
Dragon Ball Z. 2 nice pieces of fire, man. If you could find it, get it.
Either one, you can't go wrong.
I'm not gonna go wrong.
You can't go wrong. That's it. Appreciate you guys.
Happy Hanukkah.